Thanks for dropping in. It's time for another You Asked For It video. In this series, I update old 3D printed projects based on your requests and feedback. We'll start things off with a highly requested improvement to my 3D printed strategy game, Zaggrivation. Zaggrivation launched with two board configurations, a default board and a lockable board that you can seal up for spill-free storage and transportation. Viewers pointed out that this board could be even better if the detachable feet pulled double duty as the lock bar. And they were right. To avoid supports, the feet are printed upside down. This does make the design a bit more square than the original, so pick whichever option suits your needs and style. With winter on its way, I've been thinking of ways to expand my series of posable snow people, penguins, and seals. So when I received a request to create a wizard hat for the giant version of my 3D printed snowman, I jumped on the opportunity. This star-infused wizard hat was designed with multicolor printers in mind, but those with single-color printers can still print the stars separately and glue them in. As with all my giant snow people accessories, the hat uses a registration plug and magnets to stay securely attached. Well, until it's time to swap out another style. I recently announced my plans to create monthly educational models. The first model in the series was this tactile triangle teaching tool, and that leads us to our next improvement, which was suggested by multiple teachers. This is the tactile triangle teaching tool, Protractor edition. It adds a small dial to each corner of the triangle, with tick marks every 15 degrees to help lock in common triangle angles. Like the original tactile triangle and all my future educational models, this design is posted under a Creative Commons public domain license. That way the model's free to download, print, manufacture, alter, or sell. There's no attribution requirement at all. Our final update is for the Mix and Match Twisty Fidget, which I released over the summer. These magnetic clicky and twisty fidgets come in a range of grips that you can mix and match. But this update is for the less flashy and easily overlooked core, which holds the fidget together. This is a keychain core added to your existing print for portable fidgeting. Just like the regular core, the two halves screw together. That, means that they could also just screw apart. So, if you plan to use this as a keychain, I recommend gluing the core halves together, just to be safe. Oh, and this also works as an ornament, if you want to hide a few bonus toys in your Christmas tree. That's all the updated models for now. As always, I welcome your feedback to make my designs even better. I may not be able to take on every request, but I consider every suggestion I receive. Until next time, happy printing, and thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching till the end. Since you stuck around, I'd like to share a few seasonably suitable remixes to my Snow People models, made by other designers. UpperAirs reworked the fidget into a traditional 3D printable tube maze. The Fifth Doctor created a Santa hat. IvyMike is prepared for Thanksgiving with a Pilgrim outfit. And APrinterInTheHills has created easier to print arms for the smaller size Snow People. All of these are linked in the video description, but that's far from all the remixes this design has gotten. That's why I recommend checking the remix section whenever you're downloading a model. You never know what fun alternate takes you might find.